memories this year. And we've also had Little Picarachi Jr. For the barbecue corner. And here we go, Chicken Little Jr. from the chicken house. We're poultry bipartisan. Kumbaya, my love, kumbaya. We gotta talk across the aisles and get along. Oh no, y'all gotta get along. It's a new world in 2017. Kumbaya, my love, kumbaya. See, everybody loves everybody here at Dollywood, and we love you. And I want to thank you with all my heart for all your love and prayers this year. We love you, and prayers have lifted us up. Prayers have lifted this area up. We will wish all of you here from Dollywood and Miss Lillian's all the greatest wishes in the new year. We're going to let go of anything that brought us pain in the old year. And we thank God for all that's in front of us. And remember, that's our story. It's all a story of being more loved. You gotta live a little, laugh a little, until those clouds roll by a little. That's the story of, that's the glory of love. As long as there's the two of us, we've got the world and its charms. And when they're so wild as they're with us, we've got each other's arms. So keep on smiling a little, laughing a little. Come on back to see us in Dollywood. Oh yeah, 'cause you are the story of, you are the glory of, you're our story of, you're the glory of love. And we thank you for being our story. Thank you for being the glory of our love. Happy New Year, my friends. See you next year. Oh, I almost forgot. Should all the chickens be forgot and never brought to fry? We'll drink a cup of cod chicken. Thank you for these days of chicken time.